Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Okay? Sa water sign na Cancer, Lala Baby nagpapakilala po. Isa lang pong likes, shares, subscribes para po lumago naman ang channel na Lola. This is a general, hindi po ito private reading. So, kung makaresonate, salamat na marami. Bigyan ko kayo ng tinatawag timeless reading para sa buwan ng June. Okay? Tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin ng inyong tarot cards energy. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag the energy of the Ten of Cups. Okay? Ibig sabihin, for some of you is nakita na nila, okay? Natagpuan na nila kung ano ang wala sa buhay nila, okay? From Ten of Cups to the Three of Wands, di ba? Yan, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na their happiness. They found their true happiness. Yan ha? Maybe a marriage, di ba? A soulmate. Yan. Maybe a partner. A business. Yan. Kasi lumabas ang tinatawag na the Gemini. So, ibig sabihin nito, kino-confirm lang ng the Gemini kung ano itong tinatawag na nagkaroon ng saysay, nagkaroon ng tinatawag na relationship, nabuo ang isang relationship, di ba? It's like nakita niya yung kanyang tribes, yung tinatawag na tunay na mga kaibigan, di ba? Maybe group of people to something to do about business, di ba? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na showing their strength, showing their intelligence, di ba? Sharing information, di ba? So, from the Three of Wands to the Three of tinatawag na Swords. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na firmness, building a relationship. Okay, so it has something to do about building securities. Yan, it's like secret. There is a secret between you and them. Maybe exchanging information, exchanging tinatawag na kung ano man yan, very very sensitive. It's like kailangan ito, yung tinatawag na pinagkakatiwalaan nyo lang na mga tao, di ba? Three of Wands to the Three of Swords. Yan, okay? So, there is a partnership. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na kumpiyansa sa isa't isa, kumpiyansa sa sarili, kumpiyansa to others. Okay? So, ano man yan, nagbibuild na yan. It's like nagbibuild dito ng relationship. Okay? It has something to do about investment. Tinatawag na, ano pa ba yung partnership at team up, di ba? Kung ano man yan. Kasi narito yung tinatawag, you cannot do it yourself. Okay? You need people para dito mag-materialize whatever is this. Di ba? So, for some of you, nakikita dito, dreamings come true. Kaya nagmamaterialize na po. Yan na, nagmamaterialize na. Ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag, let's say sabihin na natin, ito ang mga taong magpapayaman sa iyo, di ba? Ito ang mga tao that they will work. It's like, sabihin na natin sila, it's like, hindi ko masabi kung hindi ito minamanipulate, di ba? It's like tinatawag, sila ang mga utak mo, okay? Para ikaw is yumaman. So, for some of you, nakikita lang dito yung tinatawag, sino ang iyong mga pinagkakatiwalaan, di ba? Hindi ka bulgar, hindi mo yung tinatawag, hindi ka kalat, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, kung sino lang itong mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo, okay? Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung anong inyong ginagawa. Okay? It seems like hindi kayo basta-basta nag-share ng inyong tinatawag na secrets, information. Okay? Dahil meron ditong tinatawag kontrata. Kung sino man ito, may kontrata kayo sa kanila. Diba? May kontrata sila sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So, you are working, tinatawag with the contracts. Okay? So, for some of you, yung tinatawag na Okay, you are facing, okay? It's like facing your foe, facing your destiny, facing these people. Yan ha? So it's like tinatawag na, sabi na nating a company, a group of people, okay? It's like hindi ito, it seems like very, very delicate, okay? It's very, very delicate. For some of you, nakikita dito, you have no time for, maybe you have no time for loving, you have no time for love romance, di ba? You have no time for, let's say sabihin natin party, di ba? Kasi naka-tie up ka eh. Nakikita ko naka-tie up kayo dito sa mga taong ito, di ba? Yan. Kung sino man niya, it's like tinatawag na iisa lang ang inyong motive. Okay? Isa lang ang motive ninyo. Let's say sabihin natin, ang magpayaman, ang mag-build ng empire, ang mag-build ng negosyo. Kung kaya dito, it's only between you and them. Di ba? So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Five of Pentacles. Okay? They are begging for love. They are begging for, sabihin na natin, maybe wala silang pera. It's like nakikita dito, their ego, their confidence is very, very low. Okay, so I think kung ano man ito, di ba? It's like maybe sabihin na nating others, di ba? Kasi narito ka. So it's like tinatawag, it's about your self, di ba? Halimbawa, you want to get rich, pagpapayaman, concentrated. It's like tinatawag kung sino itong mga kausap nyo. Wala kayong mga outsiders na kausap, di ba? So it's between you and them, okay? So meron lang ditong tinatawag na nalulungkot. So I think this is another energy. Merong nalulungkot, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, wala siyang pag-ibig, wala siyang confidence, mahina ang confidence niya. Wala siyang pera, maaring wala rin siyang bahay, di ba? It's like wala, as in zero, wala siya, okay? Wala siyang privilege like you have, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, kung pumasok ka man sa tinatawag na relationship, di ba? There is an agreement. You know, ano itong pinirmahan mo, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, sandali lang ha, okay? Dahil meron ditong rebulto. Yan na, it's like reaping your rewards, reaping your karma, di ba? Yan. What transpires, it's like tinatawag what transpires between you and them. Ito na, okay? It's like tinatawag, ito na ang iyong payout, di ba? Ito na ang iyong rewards, di ba? Yan. So, for some of you, I do not know. It's like tinatawag passes. Isinalin sa iyo, okay? Kung ano ito mang isinalin sa iyo, very, very karmic. Nakikita ko lang, very, very karmic, di ba? Since this is the 10 of Wands. Isinalin sa iyo, ibig sabihin ikaw ang magpapatuloy, di ba? Okay? It's like you have responsibilities, may mga sagutin ka, okay? Malaking responsibilities na tinanggap mo, okay? Yan. So, it's like dala-dala mo ang mundo sa iyong mga balikat. Yan, sa tinatawag na the nine of swords. Yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na mga dala-dala mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Mga hirap, responsibilities. Yan. The nine of swords. Okay? So, ano itong tinatawag na the world, but the world is tinatawag na is closing upon me. Is closing on me. I do not know. Kasi nakasarado ka dito, nakaano ka dyan, di ba? It's like you are closing yourself, di ba? Hindi kayo open sa mundo. You are not open. Okay? Very, very private person kayo, di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko. Hindi kayo tinatawag na, siguro hindi kayo bulgar, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin, may mga iniingatan kayo dito, okay? Let's say sabihin natin, hindi mo, nakikita ko rin dito, it's like tinatawag na hindi mo ito isinasubmit sa income tax return. Meron dito mga dapat isubmit sa income tax returns, but ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag hindi ito isinasama. Okay? Yan. So, it's like sabihin na nating, yan lang nakikita ko. Kasi puro nakatalikod. Di ba? Okay? Whatever is this. It's like hindi ito kasama sa income tax return. Di ba? But you have an obligation. Di ba? It's like tinatawag na you should not lie. Di ba? You should know what's written in the contract. But meron dito tinatawag mga hidden agendas yan. Kasi may nakita lang ko income tax returns, maaari ito tinatawag properties ng asawa mo. Maybe you are, sabihin na nating widow or widower, di ba? Yan, no? Ibig sabihin ito isinalin sa iyo. Pero hindi lahat-lahat inilalagay mo sa papers, di ba? Yan lang nakikita ko sa iyo. So there is tinatawag dito na pangungulila lang. Okay? Pangungulila. Yan. It's like tinatawag na maybe they are away from family, siblings, di ba? No connection. So gamitan ko lang na ibang cards yan. The Nine of Swords. Okay. So it's like tinatawag evading, di ba? You are evading people, evading work responsibilities. I do not know. You are evading. Okay? You have no interest. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na maybe you are tired. You are not, tinatawag hindi ka, I don't know. Okay? It seems like there is no completion. Okay? Kasi the world, it's like there is no completion. Nagkaroon ng tinatawag na maaari retardation, okay, setbacks, or tinatawag na yan ang nakita ko. No completion. Hindi. It's like no graduation, no success. Yan. Nagkaroon. It's like retardation. Di ba? It's like sabihin na nating pera na naging bato pa. Okay? Maybe you are required here. Maybe maraming requirements. Di ba? Yan. Di ko alam. It's like yung tinatawag na you have to, this is an obligation kasi nasa Two of Cups, okay? Tinanggap mo ito, okay? Yan, whatever is this. Yan. Very, very karmic. The Ace of Wands, okay? So what's that, the Ace of Wands? A new work, a new opportunities, a new job, a new task, a new relationship. Okay? So, it has something to do kasi lumabas na ang tao. Diba? Okay? So, this tao is tinatawag, I think you're not interested. Diba? Tinatawag na hindi pa kayo ready. Okay? So, it's like opportunities is knocking on your door, but nakikita dito, you're not yet ready. Kung ano man itong pagbabago na ito. Kasi puro nakatalikod, di ba? Maybe you are taking a rest, di ba? Taking time, di ba? Maaring dito yung tinatawag, very, very exhausting. Yan. Maaring dito sabihin na nating nagkaroon pa ng loss, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito wasted, nagkaroon ng loss. So, ibig sabihin nito, you're not yet ready, okay? To accept these opportunities, whatever. It's like paghamon. Okay, so for some of you, nakikita dito, okay? Yung tinatawag na you're a effective leader, di ba? Okay? So it's about showing others what you are capable of, di ba? Okay? If you will only given a chance, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ito ng tinatawag growth, di ba? Okay? If you are only given a chance, nakikita dito sa tinatawag na the 10 of Cups, okay? Yan. To the 7 of Wands to the 10 of Cups. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, magkakaroon dito ng good relationship, di ba? It's like growth, okay? Magkakaroon, magbibuild ng tinatawag na relationship. Yan ha? Okay? Kaya narito yung tinatawag, okay? It's like tinatawag na winning winning their trust. You want to win their trust, di ba? That you are capable of this, di ba? Okay. Tinatawag na the 7 of Wands. Yan. It's like this is your power, okay? You are capable of doing many things. For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, you are worrying. You are worrying about your money, your security, your health, your future. You are so worrying. Worrying kayo. Yan, no? Nag-aala-ala kayo. Okay? You are worrying na baka masira itong relationship na ito with others. Di ba? Pwede ring marriage din yan. So it's more about it's your interaction with others. Di ba? So meron dito, it's like tinatawag, merong abundance. Okay? Merong magandang papasok sa inyo. Graces. Di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, your cups will be filled with these blessings. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, it's about your relationship. Maganda ang relationship nyo with yung mga asawa ninyo, biyanan ninyo, magulang nyo, mga kapatid, di ba, other people. Maganda ang relationship ninyo sa kanila. Okay? It's like tinatawag dito na, you are dependable. Yan. You are dependable. You are tinatawag na very, very nurturing, di ba? It's like tinatawag na marunong kayong mag-manage, di ba? Yan. So whatever is this, it's like tinatawag, you will receive a reward, you will be recognized, di ba? So for some of you, if you are single, if you are a widow, it's like tinatawag na you are looking for a love. Ayan na, di ba? It's like tinatawag, may magmamahal sa inyo, di ba? It's like tinatawag, magkakaroon dito ng family unity, family bonding. Maybe you are far from each other, di ba? Okay? So for some of you, what's all about yan, di ba? Kung ano itong hinihintay ninyo, magmamaterialize na, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, maybe there is kasi nagkaroon dito retardation sa tinatawag na, di ba? Nasaan? Sandali lang ha. Sandali tinahanap ko. Nasaan yun? Dito sa tinatawag na the world. It's like nagkaroon dito ng termination, delaying, setbacks, di ba? Obstruction, or yung tinatawag na cut off. Nagkaroon ng cut off. So whatever is this. Kaya siguro ito, for some of you, na-experience ito. Okay? Na-experience. So ibig sabihin nito, it will not last. That's only a temporary. It's like tinatawag what's your losses, di ba? What's your losses dito sa tinatawag the world? Ibig sabihin nito, makaka-recover kayo. Okay? Makaka-recover kayo. Yan. So for some of you, yung tinatawag, very, very private person kayo. Okay? You don't want people to mingle with your business, with your problems. Di ba? Kasi puro nakatalikod ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, dito lang kayo nagre-rely kung sino itong mga ninyo. Di ba yan, no? Kita ninyo, puro nakatalikod. Kung sino lang, dito lang kayo tinatawag na confide, okay? Nagko-confide, yan ha? So, whatever is this, is a success, okay? So, kung ano man nangyari dito sa tinatawag na the world, it seems like ito yung tinatawag what happens to your past lives, di ba? Kasi nagkaroon dito, it's like tinatawag, nagkaroon setbacks, delaying, cut off, retardation. Ibig sabihin nito, makaka-recover kayo. Okay? Kasi narito ang tinatawag, the 10 of cups. Okay? To the 3 of wands, it's about growth, di ba? It's about tinatawag na, proving yourself. Okay? Showing what you are capable of. It's like tinatawag na your maturity, 'di ba? It's about your tinatawag na you can do everything. You can it's like accepting, 'di ba? Responsibilities. Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, it's about what you, okay? It's about your strength, di ba? It's about your good intention, building a relationship, di ba? Okay, it's like tinatawag, kinukuha mo ang kumpiyansa, okay? Kinukuha mo yung kumpiyansa ng mga tao para magkaroon dito ng tinatawag na, yan as tinatawag na abundance, di ba? Yan, ma-filled yung iyong mga cups, okay? Para ito yung tinatawag, the world, okay, is like tinatawag, aandar uli in your favor, okay? Papabor uli sa iyo ang tinatawag na the world, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, magmamaterialize whatever happens to you in the past na nawala, mare-recover uli, okay? So, thank you very much.